today let's start with chapter number 4, mouse and keyboard. In this chapter, we'll study about a computer mouse. We have different mouse action. We single click, double click, and then we will study about the keyboard. First is a computer mouse. A mouse, it is a part of computer which looks like a real mouse. It is small in size and it is used to point out items on the computer or a monitor. And when we move the mouse around, a small arrow on the screen along moves around. और ये जो small arrow इसको क्या बोला जाता है? Mouse point. The mouse is usually kept on flat surface called mouse pad. Like mouse with different buttons. 2 buttons mouse. A mouse with 2 buttons. जिनके पास 2 buttons होते हैं, they are known as 2-button mouse. And they are left and right. कौन से होते हैं वो दो? Left and right button. Then we have 3-button mouse. 3-button mouse, we have 3 buttons in this mouse and 3 buttons are left, middle and the right. ठीक है, ये आपका क्या हो गया? Left, middle और right. Then we have nowadays 2 buttons mouse and 3 buttons mouse. These are the different. We have scroll mouse. A mouse with a scroll wheel. जिसके पास भी scroll wheel होगा middle में, left और right button पे उसको कहा जाता है scroll mouse. Then we have optical mouse in which we use laser light instead of ball movement of the mouse point. It is faster than the ball mouse. ये क्या है? Faster. Then we have ball mouse which has ball under it. और नीचे क्या होती है? Ball होती है. Then we have touchpad mouse जिसको आप mostly use करते हो लैपटॉप में. देखा लैपटॉप में हम टच करते हैं तो आपका माउस चलता है. Then we have gaming mouse just like a scroll mouse की तरह होता है. क्योंकि इससे आप क्या करते हैं? गेम्स खेलते हैं. It is very expensive. And then we have wireless mouse that is not attached to the computer through a wire. It uses signal to communicate with computer. आप किसका यूज करते हो? Signals. Now we have mouse action. Pressing the mouse button is called click. और clicking the mouse button tells computer what to do. Computer को क्या करना है? Now when we click the left mouse button once, it is called a single click or a left click. It is used to select that item on the monitor. ये क्या करता है? जो item है monitor को उनको select करने में help. Now select this PC icon on the monitor. How you will do? You will move the pointer and place on this PC icon on the monitor. Now press the left button of a monitor mouse and release it. This PC icon will be selected. और जो आपका this PC वाला icon है वो select हो जाएगा. Then double click. When we click on the left mouse button twice quickly, it is called double click. It is used to open our document window. Open this PC icon. Move the pointer to this PC icon. आप move करोगे. And now double click the mouse button on. फिर आप double click करोगे. This PC window will be open. Now right click. Now when we right click on the mouse button once, it is called right click and it shows list of commands on the monitor. Now open the list of commands on this PC. To open list of commands, you will follow the steps. Now move the mouse pointer to this PC icon and now right click on it. You will get a list of commands. आपको बहुत सारे lists of commands यहाँ पे मिलेंगे. Now drag and drop. Moving a mouse while keeping the left mouse button pressed is called dragging. And it is used to change the position of an item on the screen. Releasing the mouse button after dragging it. आपने अगर ड्रैग करके ले जाए उसके बाद आपने माउस के बटन को क्या करना? रिलीज कर दिया. उसको क्या बोला जाता है? ड्रॉप. Now change the position of this PC icon on the screen. Now select this PC icon using left click. Hold the left button and move the mouse. ठीक है. Now release the left button. आप left button को क्या करेंगे? रिलीज करेंगे. And now जैसे आपने रिलीज करा, you will see that icon has been moved. Icon अपने आप क्या हो गया? Move. Then keyboard. Keyboard has many button called keys. We can write on computer with the help of these keys. Writing on a computer is called type. और जो भी आप लिख रहे हो कंप्यूटर पर उसको क्या कहा जाता है? टाइप. A keyboard has different types of keys. Let's learn about them. What are the different keys? We have alphabetic key, numeric keys, and some special keys. Now, alphabetic keys क्या होती है? That we see A to Z. We have 26 letters and we see 26 alphabet keys of the keyboard, which is used to type letters, words, and sentences. We see them in 3 rows on a keyboard. 3 रो में दिखाई देती है और ये क्वाट्री फॉर्मेट को क्या करती है, फॉलो करती है। देन वी हैव नंबर की 0 to 9, इसे हम न्यूमेरिक की भी कहते हैं। इट इज रिटन ऑन द टू साइड्स, एक तो टॉप पे होती है और एक लेफ्ट में होती है। दीज कीज आर नोन एज न्यूमेरिक की, दे आर ऑन टू प्लेसेस। द फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ नंबर की इज प्रेजेंट अबव द अल्फाबेट की, ये अल्फाबेट के ऊपर होती है, और दूसरा क्या होता है ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द कीबोर्ड, हम न्यूमेरिक कीपैड कहते हैं। अगर आप इस लॉक को खोलोगे तो ही यहाँ से नंबर लिखा जाएगा, वरना नहीं लिखा जाएगा। तो व्हेन द नमलॉक की इज on, a green light glows on the keyboard and you label number. And then we have some special keys like spacebar key, enter key, backspace key, delete key, caps lock key, shift key, tab key or control key and PS. These are some special keys. Now spacebar key, while you are typing, then press spacebar key to add blank spaces between the letter, words or numbers. And the spacebar key is the longest. Then we have enter key. Enter key, while you are typing, press enter key once to move the next line. It moves the cursor down to the next line. There are two enter keys that comes in different shape. दो enter keys है, अलग अलग शेप में आते हैं। Then we have backspace. आप टाइप करो और आप उसको डिलीट करना चाहते हो, erase करना चाहते हो लेटर्स को, वर्ड्स को, तो it usually last key in the row of number. They may look different in different keyboard. Then we have delete key. If you are typing, press delete key to erase the letters typed after the cursor. आप क्या करोगे, जो भी लेटर आपको erase करने हैं वो आप उनको करोगे delete. Caps lock, while you are typing, press caps lock key to type letters in capital. When you press the key, a small light on the keyboard is turned. Press the caps lock key once again to type a letter in small. आप क्या कौन सी की प्रेस करते हैं, आपको caps lock. Then we have shift key. The shift key is used to type the special symbols present on the upper part of the key. When we type the special symbol on the upper part of the key, we use shift key. It is always used along with other keys का हम हमेशा दूसरे की के साथ यूज करते हैं. There are two shift key on the keyboard. Both of them have same features. दोनों के दोनों same functions होते हैं, same ही features होते हैं. Then we have tab key. The tab key is used to move the cursor to the right, and it is present at the left side of the keyboard. Then we have control key, जो क्या करते हैं, it is the combination, it is used with the combination of other key and it is used for shortcut performing functions. There are two control key in the keyboard, दो control key है. Now ESC key. It is used to close a menu or a dialog box. It is present on the upper corner, left corner of the key. Then we have functions key. We have 12, F1 to F12. These are the functional key जो आपके top row पे होती है, जो F1 से F12 मार्क होती है. They have different functions. We have navigation key that is used to move the cursor around in a document to see or edit text. Now some of the navigation key are like a cursor control key, home key, enter key, page up key, page down. Now cursor control key जो होती है आपकी, it is also known as arrow key or direction. There are four cursor control. Up, down, left and right. Up and down cursor को ऊपर नीचे भेजती है. Left और right वाली cursor को left में और right direction में. Then we have home key which is used to move the cursor to start of the. Home key को आप जैसे दबाएंगे तो आप cursor के कहाँ चले जाएंगे, starting. And key move the cursor to the end of. Page up key, it is used to move the cursor to page at the time, and page down key is used to move the cursor down one page at a time. Now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood about the different mouse and mouse actions, and then I have told you about the keyboard, and we have seen different types of keys like alphabetic key, numeric key or special. That's all for today. Thank you.